y'all back with another video the same day. Got an Altima right here. It's got the sunroof. Zoom out. Oh, this says not for sale on the Tahoe.
They got the Mustang up from 1905.
Oh dang, this ain't for sale. I know, but it's like anyways, there was some damage in the quarter panel that got repaired. They still got this Sentra, if y'all remember. Since we're on the Mustangs, let's see, they got a Mustang GT right here. Ooh, what's going on with the wheels? They look horrible. No sunroof. It's a stick leather interior. That black leather. We've seen the Sentra before. They got a Honda Civic right here. The Honda Civic, the cloth interior. They have what the heck is this? Another no, this is the Acura. The Acura right here. Acura. This got a sunroof. It's got the sunroof. Tan leather interior. Not a fan of that tan leather interior, but it will do. Because I had tan in my Altima. I didn't want the tan in the Altima, but I had it. That's what it came with. They still got this Miata right here that used to be way over there. I don't know if y'all remember, it was like sticking off the curb or whatever. This is a stick. I'm surprised they still have this. Maybe they're asking too much, because their prices be high over here for a used dealership. They still got the Soltis over here. I don't know if I'm saying it right, the Pontiac Soltis, I believe that's how you say it. They got a Camry. They've had this for a while. They must be asking too much on that too, because the converter, because there's people who really like these Mazda Miatas and really buy those things up pretty quick. So this is cloth interior. Let's see, because you guys remember that a few videos back. I do like how it looks right there. So I don't like these Camrys. I'm not even a Camry fan. We got a Malibu, a Cobalt. I was looking at one of these at auction, a blue one. That one has a sunroof, cloth interior. Cobalts are kind of a little sporty looking car, but they're just like basic, you know, unless you get the SS. Just a good little A to B car. Bad. They got two Civic coupes over here. They got a black one, a red one. This one does have the sunroof. This one's a stick. Got the cloth interior. So not bad. You got the little donut tire on the back there on that. So this one doesn't have the sunroof. This is cloth interior. This is probably, yep, automatic. No sunroof. No sunny sunroof. We got the Toyota Sienna van over here. This is like the old one right here. Does have a sunroof though. Sun. Oh, this has leather interior. Check it out. That's that leather interior in there. These glass windows sound different. Sound weird. We got a little Toyota Echo right there. I don't like these. Just a basic little car you would, if you're trying to save gas on like a road trip where you're not needing to take much and you're like a small family. There's a trash bag on the seat. Why the heck is the gear so long? I didn't realize it was on the floor, but it must mean that there's a leak coming in somewhere. These you would, you know, be good for, you know, going to the grocery store or something like that. Oh, what the heck? Do exhaust on that Mustang. In the center, we saw that. It's a messed up tent. They've had this for a long time. I'm not sure why, but it's been a couple of years now. No sunroof. And oh, y'all said Altima Maxima. This is a Maxima. Look just like the Altima in the front. They are similar, but body on a Maxima is just a little different in the back. That's tan leather interior, and it does have the sunroof. Yeah, I see where the lip sticks out further than the Altima. The old Chevy truck, that must be somebody's that got out of state tag. And we got a Lexus. So right now, got that pill right there. Yuck. Sunroof. The windows are a little tinted. Got the screen, the black leather interior. All right now. We get a little bit of the back. We got another Camry right here, and Honda Accord over there. Let's see. You see the Honda Accord, the Camry. We do got the sunroof. Was it Pontiac Bob right here? What is going on? No, they didn't put a spoiler on the top. Got the sunroof. It is cloth interior in the Honda. I prefer my leather interior. We got the Nissan Versa. But see, the only thing is, you know, gas tank broken. On the Vibe. What's up with the spoiler? Like, you don't do that. The spoiler on the Pontiac Vibe, you guys. Would y'all do that? Leave a comment, let me know. Ooh, somebody smacked the heck out of the Versa. Whoa, look at this. Dang. That's pretty bad. Not buying that. The windows down. Yeah, that thing is toast back there on the side. Let's take a look at the back of the Lexus. And then we got an Impala. Usually it's a bunch of Jeeps over here. I guess people bought them up because of the summer. We got an Equinox. This is the first time I actually seen them have an Equinox here. Birds. I've been using this as a toilet. Oh, everywhere. I'm not going to put my phone up against that part. Dang, black leather interior. Okay, now. All right. I ain't got that Equinox. They don't have the mileage listed on there. This came from CarMax. Got a little Jeep Liberty. That does have the sunroof. Got the Chevy Impala with the what is it, tan cloth interior. Got them tan seats, cloth seats in there. The seats look pretty clean though, for the most part. We got the Honda Accord over there. Again, I was looking at a little Liberty. Got a little cloth interior. Trail rated. That little Liberty actually, this one actually looks cute. And I believe, was this Accord? I think this might have been here last time. Sunroof, cloth interior. You squeeze in between the mirrors. Ooh, this thing is covered in bird crust all over it. There's a gap in the door. So let's squeeze back between these mirrors. All right. And we got an old Avalon over here. The sunroof, the Jeep. That's tan leather interior on that. Y'all, that reminds me of, sorry the video ended. That reminds me of a Lancer. Got the Jeep, some scratches, a little hard windows. So we got the Wrangler Sport. So I hope you guys enjoyed this walk around. Sorry it's nothing extravagant, but I'm just getting back out and everything. Like I said, I've been sick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this video, sorry I got sidetracked, y'all. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, you guys, and I will catch you guys on the next video.